WLTZ First Weather with meteorologist Desmond Sakitrius.
Welcome in this Tuesday morning. Of course, thank you for watching. Hey, expecting another semi-active weather day, especially active part to be late during the afternoon, early evening hours, just like yesterday. Showers and thunderstorms started to form and bubble around 4 to 6 o'clock. Many of you, of course, saw a lot of lightning, heard a lot of thunder, and some of you got some good rainfall amounts. Expect the same thing again later on this afternoon. I am expecting a little bit less coverage, but understand, just like yesterday, some of these storms could be strong. Can't rule out an isolated severe thunderstorm, too, with all the heat and humidity. 74 degrees currently in Lumpkin, also the same for Columbus, 74. We go across the Chattahoochee River, 72 in the Auburn-Opelika area. You'll follow looking at 76 degrees, Tuskegee 74. Go back up to LaGrange 73, and to our neighbors to our southeast, Smithville looking at 77 with Americans at 76. This Tuesday morning, quick look at the water vapor. Plenty of clouds and stuff in the area, even though you don't see green on the map. Of course, tell them about the water vapor moisture. There's still plenty of water vapor, plenty of moisture in the atmosphere just by the clouds and stuff that we're picking up early this morning. Of course, the heat is on in the eastern U.S., as you can tell. Above normal temperatures continue from the southeast well into the northeast. That's actually where they've had a lot of record highs that's been falling. Even had record low minimum temperatures that have been broken over the last couple of days. Of course, that's when the night temperatures doesn't fall low enough. Like some of these cities, you know, you've heard of the heat island effect. Well, temperatures been upper 70s and 80s at nighttime for the northeast. For us, that's more typical. For them, not. Rain showers will continue for the next several days. For the day, the overall setup that will continue. High pressure, the Bermuda high that you hear a lot about, will, of course, with the clockwise flow, will continue to pump in moisture off the Gulf of Mexico. South and east winds will keep plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. Of course, when the heating of the surface, all that, just like popcorn in the microwave, as I said earlier, some of those kernels pop and some of them don't, and that's what we'll have. Good chance showers and thunderstorms that will start to bubble up into the atmosphere later on. Active tropics right here. Got a tropical disturbance moving in the Gulf of Mexico. This will continue to move to the west. Small chance that it might turn into a tropical storm before mainly affecting Louisiana and South Texas coast. And the only effects for us will be maybe some increased moisture, which of course we could use, because that could help to increase showers and thunderstorms to start earlier, where we won't end up as high in the middle 90s. Well out into the Atlantic, just to the east of the Windward Islands, got another tropical disturbance moving more toward the northwest. This system also has a chance, of course, developing. If they do, the next two names on the list, of course, is Faye and Gonzalo. Like I said, we are on our way to a very active 2020 hurricane season. Not expecting any effects, of course, from that around our area. It's just going to be the heat and humidity that will continue to affect our area and get showers and storms that will continue to bubble up today and for tomorrow. If I had to put it on, I think today will be a better chance of showers and thunderstorms than tomorrow has. What can I tell you? Middle to upper 90s. Heat index values in the low 100s. Be careful out there. You're going to be out there for extended periods of time, running or working out, whatever you're doing. Get plenty of fluids. Lows tonight only fall in the lower to middle 70s. Some of these storms could still be sticking around later on tonight. And I said earlier, some of these storms could be strong too. 8-day forecast, a hot summer 8-day forecast. What else would you expect during this time of the year? As I've said before, the dog days of summer, and I'll explain that about what the dog days of summer are if you don't already know. Otherwise, middle to upper 90s for the next several days. Here's a look at Desmond's day.